Hey guys, so for this video I just wanted to point out something to you really quick. It's nothing that's super difficult, but I thought I'd show it to you. So when you're conjugating verbs, there are times where the letter I can change to a Y, and I thought I'd show you a couple instances in which this happens. So I have a few verbs on the screen. Look at the ones that are on the chart first. Ignore this box over here that has that little blue square around it. So these boxes, or these charts right here, these first three verbs, oír, creer, and leer, are all conjugated in the preterite for you. And what I want to point out to you, you've probably already noticed it, are these Y's right here. And what happens is when you have in Spanish these three vowels together with an I in the middle, you're going to change it to a Y. So typically, oír, which is an IR verb, the preterite ending for an IR verb in he, she form is IO, accent mark over the O, and then the AO's form is IERON. So what happens is because that I is in the middle of these three vowels, it changes to a Y. So we have oyo and oyeron, creo, creyeron, leyo, and leyeron. So that happens when you have the three vowels I in the middle. There are other verbs in the preterite that this happens to, like destruir, construir, just when you have that I in the middle. And one other instance, you may have seen this before. If you haven't, that's fine. You will see it probably eventually in your studies of Spanish. When you're doing the present participle, meaning when you're talking about what people are doing or were doing, kind of like the ing of Spanish, the same kind of thing happens with the same verbs too. So like reading in Spanish is going to be leyendo, and normally when you're doing this, ER and IR verbs have an I-E-N-D-O ending to it, but what happens is that you have L-E-I-E-N-D-O, C-R-E-I-E-N-D-O, etc., and those I's are changed to Y's, so it's kind of the same thing. And it's just, it's there to kind of, the Y goes in there to keep that Y sound in there, and that's kind of it. So we'll see you next time.